right now I'm in between, I think, like 3 books. I'm not finishing, I'm like in the middle of Spin the Dawn. I'm right here, Spin the Dawn. I'm still rereading Empire of Storms, still going. And I'm right in the beginning of Tenant of Wildfell Hall by Anne Bronte. So these are the books that I'm reading right now, this week. But I'm kinda in a slump, and I haven't been reading much, especially Empire of Storms. I want to finish Spin the Dawn first, as quickly as I can, because I'm a Patreon for G Book Roast channel, and we have a monthly book club, and the live is gonna be in 4 days, so I have to finish this so I can participate in the live. And for once, because all the others I missed, so this time I really want to finish the book and participate in the live. This is where I am in Empire of Storms, like in the almost in the end of it. I think I'm gonna listen to the audiobook of it so I can finish it quickly. And then I'm not gonna read the 6th book, which is Tower of Dawn, because I remember it pretty well. I'm gonna go straight forward to the 7th and last one, which I haven't read yet. So that's why I'm doing the reread. I'm rereading all of Throne of Glass so I can read the last one, because I left it too late in the game and I don't remember much of it, so that's why I was doing the reread. And then I think I'm gonna try to finish the Shatter Me series. I only have the last book to finish, but I also don't remember a couple of things, so I'm gonna reread the next to last one and then read the last one, which is Imagine Me, I think. People really, I mean, in Goodreads, Imagine Me is having all the bad reviews, so it's making me really afraid to go into it, because it's the last one in the series and it's a guilty pleasure of mine. Shatter Me, it always has been, but I would want it to have a good ending, so we'll see. And that's it for right now. Reading like Emmy for a week video, and I was thinking about doing that with my favorite musicians, like reading their favorite books. My favorite musicians are The National and Dodie Clark. So the lead singer of The National is Matt Berninger. Yep. And I searched and I found his favorite books. It's all Red Flags books, like The Great Gatsby and Lolita and one that I don't remember right now, but it would be a great video because I I've never read Lolita, and The Great Gatsby's been like so long I don't even remember much about it. And Dodie, I haven't found any article or video or anything where she says what are her favorite books. So the only thing I could do would be read her book, but I've already done that twice, and that would be a very short book. Just me saying that, yeah, I read the book twice and it's really good. But if you actually want to read this, pick up the book, yeah, but also buy the audiobook because there are lyrics throughout the book, and in the audiobook she sings them, and it's amazing. And she narrates the audiobook. It's just great. The second time I read it was via audiobook. It was just stellar. Perfection. So the thing is, most people don't know Matt Berninger. So, but anyway, I could also try to see what Taylor Swift's favorite books are. That's an idea. What's other musician I like? Billie Eilish. I could check out her favorite books. I don't know. These are ideas for me. I'm gonna go to bed now. Check with you tomorrow. I can't sleep, so I'm gonna read a chapter of the book I'm reading right now, which It's Been a Dawn, and see if after that I can get some sleep. See you soon. So I woke up really late, and I needed to wake up really early in the morning to take my meds, and I just completely disregarded the alarm clock. And this noise is the building being built so close to my own building, so the noise is deafening all the freaking time. But I took my meds now, but oh man, that means I'm not gonna sleep very well tonight. Let's go to reading. So it's night now, and I finished Spin the Dawn by Elizabeth Lim, and I'm ready for the book club live. Finally, I'm gonna participate in a book roast live. Yay. I just realized I forgot to mention completely what this book is about, so I'm gonna do that now. Spin the Dawn is about a girl called Maya, and she lives with her 3 brothers and a father. Her mother is dead, and her father is a master tailor. He's like a really good tailor, and they have a shop, and she is also a very good tailor, but she's a woman, and in this world, women are not supposed to be tailors. They're supposed to be wives and just get married off to someone. So there's this competition to be the emperor's new master tailor, and she goes instead of her father, disguised as a boy, like Mulan. She goes disguised as a boy to the competition. So this book basically starts like that, the competition with a lot of other master tailors to see who's gonna be the emperor's new master tailor, and it goes from there. It goes on many different tangents. This is like the first part of the book is the competition, but the second and third part is completely something else. But if I tell you, it's gonna be a spoiler. So, but anyway, I am going to give this book 3.5 stars. It was entertaining. It was a fun read, but it wasn't a new favorite. It wasn't something I craved to read, so it's gonna be 3.5 stars. I am interested in reading the second one because this ends on a cliffhanger, of course. It's a duology, and the second one, I don't remember the title right now, but I think I'm gonna read it. And that's all the updates I have for you right now. For now, I have to continue reading Empire of Storms. I still have like 4 hours in the audiobook. It's too much. This is such a long book, but that's what I'm gonna focus on right now. And the Tenant of Alfell Hall, I'm gonna try to focus on that too. So that's it for now. Good morning, friends. Today my goal is to focus on Empire of Storms and try to read it as much as I can. And I also forgot that my therapist lent me a book to read, like a kind of self-help book, and I have that to read too. So those are my goals for today. Empire of Storms, as I've read already, I'm kind of in a slump on it. I think it's because I've read before and I know what happens, mostly. So it's so long and so detailed that I find myself kind of skipping along. But I figured when it's up to like 2 hours left on the audiobook, I'm gonna switch to audiobook and gonna finish it like completely via audiobook. But until that happens, I'm gonna keep like just skipping through it, because you know, when I read the first time, I annotated it, so the most important parts are annotated, so I know what to read and what to focus on. so that's good. And that's my update for the morning. I'll see you soon. Just arrived. She touched this. Dodie touched this. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't believe it. She touched it. I still can't believe I have Dodie's autograph. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Oh.
On this Friday, happy Friday. Especially, well, happy Friday to everyone. Especially
So I finished Empire of Storms now, and I won't go into the 6th book, which is Tower of Dawn, because I remember it pretty well, as I've said. I'm gonna go straight to the 7th one, which I haven't read yet, and I'm really anxious to read it, which is Kingdom of Ash. But before that, I remembered that I have a book my therapist lent me, and I guess she would want to have it back at some point, so I have to read that. That's what I'm gonna be focusing on. It's called The Fearless Heart. It's about self-compassion and trying to love yourself, which, let's see if it helps. So it's Friday night now, and I'm gonna close this vlog. I managed to finish 2 books and start 1, which is, I think, good for a week. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this video, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day, an awesome week, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.